My name is Jade Azmi and I'm a director at Luxland Investments. So we help everyday Australians invest in a strong, sustainable property portfolio throughout Australia. We're an end-to-end service. We help customers buy property and rinse and repeat. Prior to reaching out to Out in the Clouds, we had no recording system. We had no ability to audit take, to track our performance, and even any way of effective customer retention. With Salesforce, the implementation greatly assisted us with record keeping, basic record keeping, and more sophisticated record keeping. We kept track of the end-to-end client process in there, which allowed us to tap into more sales for our business. For Pardot, it helped us market and remarket to our customers, our current customers, and our potential database for future deals. The direct, tangible ROI for us using Salesforce has been for us to able to really see where customers are up to with the deal flow and where in the process they're up to. The tangible ROI for us for using Pardot was that we were able to tap into customers that have fell through the cracks and remarket to them directly and then capture a deal. The things that most stand out for us for the benefits of using Salesforce and Pardot is that our whole team have access and transparency of our deal flow and our overall company performance, which is a huge benefit to our business and our bottom line. Our team have collectively never used a system like Salesforce and Pardot before. They've used other systems, but this system just seems to really capture everything. It captures financial data, company data, customer flow, marketing. It's just a real encompassing system that is easy for everyone to use in our business, no matter their skill set. I loved working with Out in the Clouds team. They were so transparent. They were so upfront. They were so forgiving and understanding because I'm not an expert in technology or systems. And they just were so cool with that. They really adapted to my skill set and were very, very patient. And that was important to me throughout the process. So I'd highly recommend using Out in the Clouds.